Alright, good afternoon. It's December 26th of 2010, the day after the Christmas. I have just finished putting my decoder here in my new SD-35. It's hard to find these SD-35. I was able to locate one. It was the DCC ready version in Southern Railway 3096. Southern Railway 3096 is a unique unit. The fact that 3096 did not get the little Southern emblems on the nose and on the rear side of the unit. A couple of the Southern units, SD-35s, did not do that. It is MU today with my Central Georgia SD-35, which was a subsidiary of Southern, and they painted their locomotives like Southern. It looks just like a Southern locomotive with the exception of the Central Georgia lettering. The Central Georgia units and such units as Savannah, Atlanta, of course, were integrated into the system. Eventually, the Central Georgia was repainted with all Southern, and then they got the little C of G emblem on the under the numbers. I'm going to fire this unit up. I am using a Digitrax. This is the little cheap decoder that Digitrax makes. It's not that bad. It's a nice little decoder. This is what we call the SDH164D Sound FX. And basically it comes in a steam locomotive or a diesel locomotive. My friend at the Grand Strand Model Railroad Club basically loaded down the, I believe the GP38 sound in it, which is about as close as I can get. I'm hoping that over time that the downloads that Digitrax has, they have a program in their computers where you can download the different locomotives, and hopefully they'll get a little bit more better sound. However, for the money, you cannot beat this little sound bug or sound decoder that they have put in the unit. I'm going to go ahead and fire it up. I'm going to run this train around a little bit here. Here we go. Let's see here if I can get her fired up. And there's the engine fired up. You can hear it. I don't have it on the loudest setting. I have a small speaker which is located up in the dynamic brake blister. I was able to locate it there and put a little baffle there. I probably could have put it in the rear where there's a speaker, a blank speaker, but I thought I could fit it in here, which I did, a small speaker. Give you the horn. It's kind of a loud horn. Here's your bell. Uncoupler. That's the dynamic braking. It's kind of loud. That would sound pretty good going down a hill. So we're going to go ahead and start this unit up. Let me cut my light on. Give you the bell. I'll run a little train here. Little Southern train. It also has, what I'll do is run it by one more time. You can hear it coming around. Let's see if we can pick her up. My little home layout coming up the mountain here. One thing I did want to show you is the sound. You can hit going through a crossing. It will go 4 times. Excuse my shaking of the camera. And there she goes by on a run by. Not too bad for a little decoder that costs for about 35, 36. I've got this one about 39 bucks at a train show. Any event, I hope everyone has a happy new year.